Okay guys, here we go. It's a bird's nest in the coaster. Okay, so I can tell you one thing. I'm excited because, I mean, I get the concept, kind of cool. But I'm not sure it's good.
I would have a camera on you. It would
Oh no. Oh nice! This is gonna be the splash.
Yes!
Oh, not now though. Don't you worry. If you could see my face now, I look miserable. Yeah, the bird is there.
Okay, let's go!
Not yet. You should see my face. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. No! Have you ever seen a wet t-shirt contest? I just won that. No. No, no, no. Oh no.
Oh, so
Oh.
I'm fine.
No! Who decided to destroy a roller coaster with water? Oh my god.
So fun.
No, it's not fun.
Do it again.
No! If we do it again, I will sit in the middle. Because you're not even wet. You have one drop. Oh my god, if I sneeze, you get more wet. No!